welcome to our channel guys. Thank you for showing us so much love. और जो आज की रीडिंग है वो एक रिकमेंडेड रीडिंग है और लोगों ने मतलब हमारी एक सब्सक्राइबर हैं शायद रोज़ शर्मा, उन्होंने हमें बहुत सारे सजेशंस दिए थे, उनमें से ही एक सजेशन मैंने पिक किया है। हालांकि एक सजेशन मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ हमारे चैनल पर, दैट वाज रिकमेंडेड बाय बिया अरशद और वो हमारे बड़ी लॉयल सब्सक्राइबर हैं। आई गेस आई सी हिज कमेंट्स ऑलवेज, सो लॉट्स ऑफ लव टू यू गाइज। एंड अगर आपको भी चाहिए कि मैं आपके रिकमेंडेड वीडियोस बनाऊं तो please drop a comment down below and your suggestions, okay? And with that, आज की जो रीडिंग है that is a love a letter from your partner। तो मैंने ये जो भी ये जो भी मैसेजेस हैं, ये जो भी लेटर में लिखा हुआ है, ये बहुत इंट्यूटिवली लिखा है। आई हैव जस्ट सीन दीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड दीज कार्ड्स जो मैंने चूज़ किए हैं, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कार्ड्स। और उसके बाद आई हैव जस्ट रिटन व्हाटएवर केम इन माय हेड और जस्ट दैट्स इट। और अगर आपको चूज़ करनी पाइल अभी भी नहीं आती है, आप नए हैं, तो मैं आपको ये बता दूँ कि आगे एक पिक्चर होगी और उस पिक्चर में आपको तीनों पाइल्स दिखेंगी। आप प्लीज़ कॉन्सेंट्रेट करिए और जो भी पाइल आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट करती है दैट इज़ योर पाइल। And then you can go in the comment section below, in the description box below, और वहाँ पर टाइम स्टैम्प्स दे दूँगी मैं, और आप वहाँ से डायरेक्टली अपनी रीडिंग पर स्किप कर सकते हैं, या फिर अगर आपको पूरी वीडियो देखनी है तो दैट विल बी लाइक आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल। तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आज की रीडिंग तो यू कैन लाइक ऑब्वियसली रीड ऑल ऑफ। एंड येस, आई एम सॉरी दैट आई एम रीडिंग योर पर्सनल लेटर्स एंड दैट टू इन पब्लिक, ओके? सो jokes apart, now I will meet you in your reading telling you what your loved person wants to tell you. See you. Hi guys, so let's choose your pile. So pile 1 is this red cross or this 10 of cups card. This is pile 1. Pile 2 is this the lovers card and this heart, like the half heart. And pile 3 is this Mr. Right keyring with ace of cups. Please concentrate on each of the piles to see your messages. And जो भी पाइल आपको सबसे पहले अट्रैक्ट करती है वही आपकी पाइल है। टाइम स्टैम्प्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं, प्लीज़ गो एंड चेक इट आउट and then I'll see you in your reading. Thank you. Hi pile 1, let's see what is your letter. Okay, so you have chosen this beautiful red cross. I will keep it here so that you can see this. And then you have chosen a family card, okay? तो ये जो कार्ड है, this talks about abundance, a family, kids, like a good life together. Okay, फैमिली कार्ड दिस इज, ओके? अब मैं इसे यहाँ रखती हूँ और देखते हैं कि आपके लेटर में क्या है। आई जस्ट होप दिस स्टेज हियर, ओके? आई विल कीप दिस ऑल्सो हियर सो दैट इसको थोड़ा सा बैलेंस मिल जाए एंड देन यू कैन सी ऑल्सो प्रॉपरली, ओके? How to tell? Okay, wait. Sorry, pile 1. You have to wait. Okay, so I'm going to keep it right here, and then I'm going to keep this like this. Sorted. ऐसे ही रख देते हैं. Ready for your letter? All right. letter from Divine. Excited? I am very excited. This is how your letter looks. Excited. Okay. Hi Jan, I hope you're fine. You look so beautiful. Baby, you're gorgeous. I can't take my eyes off you. I want to see you happy always. Not only happy, baby, but I want to see I and you getting married, having kids. Actually, lots of kids with you. Grow old with you. Please, baby, be mine. You are my strength. You make me even more strong. I can't stop thinking about you. The day when we will get married, you will come towards me. Whoa. A day when I can officially tell this world out loud that how much I love you. What you mean to me. And yes, we will have kids really soon. So be ready to be a mom soon. God, I can't stop imagining you. You are just stunning. Madam, can we just get married? I can't wait now. Come soon, please. Oh my God. So, as your letter says, oh my God, now I am seeing this and thinking कि okay, so मैंने जब reading की मैंने जब मैसेज लिखा था तो मैंने सिर्फ ये क्रॉस देख के मैसेज लिखा है. ओके, आई हैव नॉट सीन दिस कार्ड. आई डोंट नो, आई गेस आई सेड कि मैंने कार्ड देख कर रीडिंग की है, बट मैंने कार्ड बाद में सेलेक्ट किए हैं ऊपर रखने के लिए. मुझे थोड़ा खाली खाली लग रहा था विथ ओनली द पेंडेंट्स, बट मैंने जब ये कार्ड पुट किया तो मुझे याद भी नहीं था कि मैंने मैसेज क्या लिखा. बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम रीडिंग योर लेटर, ओ माई गॉड, दिस गोड्स विद दिस कार्ड लाइक 100%, मतलब 99% भी नहीं. आई एम जस्ट होपिंग कि यू नो बस रेजोनेट करे आपसे. सच ए ब्यूटिफुल गॉड मैसेज. ओ भाई साहब, you are getting married really soon, and then not only married, I am reading this again loud, like जोर से चिल्ला के. Okay, I can't tell you enough what you mean to me. And yes, we will have kids really soon. Okay, so we will have kids really soon. So be ready to be mom soon. Okay guys. और अच्छा हाँ guys, turn this to dad. Okay. God, I can't stop imagining you. You are just stunning. Madam, can we just get married? I can't wait now. I'm good. So happy for you guys. Okay, so शादी का कार्ड नीचे भेज सकते हैं कमेंट सेक्शन में. और and second thing, that you guys please tell me how you felt reading when I read this letter for you guys. I hope this resonates with you, and if not, तो आगे भी है 2 piles. You go and see those 2. Maybe one of them resonate with you. And if you like, then please like, share and comment. It will be very nice for me. Thank you. Hi pile 2, welcome to your reading. और आपने चूज़ किया है ये ब्यूटीफुल सा स्टनिंग सा हार्ट, जिसका एक हिस्सा यहाँ है और एक हिस्सा पता नहीं कहाँ है. बट लेट्स सी कि उस दूसरे हिस्से ने आपके लिए क्या मैसेजेस भेजे हैं. ओके, आई होप यू कैन सी दिस. आई विल कीप इट राइट हियर. ओके, मैं थोड़ा सा कोशिश कर रही हूँ टू बैलेंस इट, बट वो नहीं हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू कीप दिस. यार बस एडजस्ट हो जाओ. यस. ओके, and then you have chosen the lovers. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see. मतलब जो मैंने शफल किया है डेक और उसके बाद ये आया है कार्ड आपके लिए. सो द लवर्स इज एनीवेज ट्विन फ्लेम कनेक्शन एंड द यू नो लवर्स का कार्ड है, लव मैसेज है आपके लिए. सो I hope it turns out to be the best for you. So I'm really excited to read your message, and I'm sorry I'm reading your letters, like that too very personal ones. Okay, so this is how your letter, wow, okay, so this is how your letter looks. Okay. Hi baby, I hope you're fine. We are not together right now, but you know, right, that we can't be separated. You are in my heart. I still love you. I still care for you. You still make me go crazy. Please take care of yourself. I can't tell you how much I miss you, but it's okay. Maybe we are not meant to be together. Still, you complete me. You are my other half, and that is a fact that can't be changed. This world can't change that. It's not important for us to be together, baby. But what is more important is to be one. If not here, that's okay. But you know, right? We are one, and nothing can change that. No one. No one can change that. Baby, I love you, and I am with you always. Even when you can't see me around. Just feel me. I know you can feel my presence. Love you. Oh my god. Okay, when I see this card, I thought so कि ये वही वाला कार्ड है. Okay, so this is maybe a twin flame connection separated year. Okay, so twin flames ज़रूरी नहीं है कि they meet, you know, they meet as in वो मिलने के लिए ही बने हैं, but then जो यहाँ के पैरामीटर्स हैं कि वो you know they meet to get married, to be together, make families, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि twin flames यहाँ मिलें और बनाएं. जो ज़रूरी है वो ये है दैट दे हेल्प ईच अदर टू बी बेटर वर्जन ऑफ देमसेल्व्स, टू ग्रो स्पिरिचुअली. ओके, और वो इस लेटर में आई कैन टेल यू कि कितने डीपली लिखा हुआ है. दैट इसमें बहुत बार योर पार्टनर हैज सेड दैट it is a fact that can't be changed. This world can't change that fact. It's not important for us to be together. So don't get, you know, फंसो मत. maybe you are in a twin flame journey, आप कि किसी ex के साथ, and he is your twin or she is your twin, और आप वो बात you know you are not able to judge it, you are not able to guess it, और आप अलग हो गए हो, और he's gotten married or she's gotten married, और you know वो दूसरे शहर में चले गए हैं, दूसरे देश में चले गए हैं, या जो भी मैस है. doesn't matters, because listen what that person is saying. They say it's not important for us to be together, baby, but what is more important for us to be one. If not here, but you know, right, we are one and nothing can change that fact. So just chill, and you can, and don't forget to read this last line. What they said, just feel me. I know you can feel my presence, so just feel their presence, because I know you can feel their presence. Okay, guys, so it was a great reading, and I loved. People who have chosen this are divinely guided, anyways. Can you see this? Your connection is divinely guided. You both are meant to be together, but not maybe not in this life, getting married and all of that, but you guys are meant to be together there. Okay, so maybe you're in a very strong twin flame connections, and you not even know that you are in a twin flame connection with someone. Okay, just heal them and you. Okay, so that's it. I love you guys, and it was a great reading. I will see you in another reading. If this didn't resonated with you, I'm really sorry. I will link some other videos for you. Last में मैं एंड स्क्रीन में लगा दूंगी कुछ वीडियोस, कुछ आई बटन में रेकमेंड कर दूंगी, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं कुछ वीडियोस. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also subscribe our other channel. Bye bye. Hi pile 3, welcome to your reading, and you have chosen this beautiful keyring which says Mr. Right. Okay, I'll keep it right here so that you can keep on seeing this. और यही देखकर मैंने बाय द वे आपका लेटर लिखा है. ओके, एंड द कार्ड कम्स आउट फॉर यू इज एस ऑफ कप्स. एवर फ्लोइंग लव, अनकंडीशनल लव. ओ माय गॉड, लेट्स सी कि मैंने सारे लव कार्ड्स निकाल दिए थे बाय द वे, और फिर उसके बाद आई हैव शफल्ड देम एंड आई आस्क्ड कि कौन सा कार्ड इज गुड फॉर माय व्यूअर्स. So this is what came for you, and this is your letter. Okay, so this letter looks like this. Let's see what your partners would. Oh god. Okay, so आपके पार्टनर क्या कहना चाहते हैं? Let's see. Hi dear, I just wanted to tell you how much I love you. I can't stop loving you. Honestly, I am trying to go away from you, trying not to look at you, just not look at you. I don't want to, but baby, I can't help it. I have understood that you are the one. You complete me. You make me go crazy, baby. Please don't go. I know that I'm not best choice for you, but you are the best, and not only best, but the only choice. I love you, baby, and I can't tell you how special you are. You just make me who I am. I just love, have faith in me. I just love you. Love, just have faith in me. I am always there for you. Yours and only yours. Okay. So when they say I am always there for you, and उसके पहले जब वो कहते हैं just have faith in me, I feel there are some doubts between you and him, that वो बहुत एक प्यारी सी बात होती है that हाँ you don't love me, तो maybe that is the scene. Okay, but have faith in them. They want to tell you and maybe he is running out. You know, होता है ना. I don't want this girl anymore, or I don't want this guy anymore, but they can't resist it now, and उनसे नहीं हो रहा है. वो नहीं, नहीं हो रहा है उनसे. Simple. Okay, they want to be with you, nothing else. Okay, so as this card said, ever flowing love is all around them and you, and they feel, oh my god, this said Mr. Right, और उस लेटर में भी I guess लिखा था कहीं पर, wait, I know that I am not the best choice for you, but you are the best, and not only best but the only choice. Oh my god. नहीं, sorry. Oh my god. मैंने पहले ध्यान भी नहीं दिया. Okay. I just love how these tarot cards and these messages and everything just combine together and become something. I just love it. Okay, so guys, it was great reading for you, and I hope you liked your messages, your letters, and I hope you have already subscribed to my channel, and if you have not, please go and subscribe to our channel, and I have linked other channels link also with this channel. Don't forget to subscribe that channel as well, and thank you guys, and again thank you Rose Sharma for recommending this video. Thank you, and bye bye. I will see you in another reading. Don't forget to subscribe, and also I will link some other videos in I button and in the description box below, so go and check out those videos as well. Bye bye.